Guys, welcome back. Let's create our 10 exercise on dictionary to understand better. I think it's better for you to just pause the video and I don't know what is the problem. Okay, it's good to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Before I solve the exercise, I here make you sometimes to take a screenshot maybe and try to solve this first exercise that I'm going to cover today, and then continue watching the video. I gave you some time to get a screenshot of this, okay, and of these two. And before watching the video, try to solve them by yourself. Okay, just now we are going to try to solve them now. Let's create a text. It's good. Delete this. Okay, exercise 1, create and print a dictionary. It's really easy. We create a dictionary and call it dict. And let's think about it as a player, as a football player name, for example CR, name for example Messi, okay, and I don't know, age for example 30, and let's run it. We have a problem here. I want you to take your time and find out the problem. Okay, I guess you guess by now the problem is that we forget it here. Unable to connect to runtime. I don't know what is the problem, but let's open another collab. I don't know what is the problem is, but it's not important. We always have Jupyter and we can use it. It's exactly like Colab and everything are alike. For now, just let's create a new Python 3 file. Let's go and open something. I think I downloaded the file. Here I have it. Let's open it. Okay, we have the file here. Now we can use it and try to create this file too here without any problem. Let me just paste a text box here. Exercise, I just need to make things a little more cleaner. Okay, now we are good. Let's make them markdown and okay, it's good. Let's start to creating the first exercise. For the first exercise, what we are going to do, we are going to create a list. Let me just copy the list I created here. Okay, I copy that and paste it here, then run it. You see the code is running and I can give you the answers here. I don't know why it's not looking like what I want, but it's not important. It's not really important. Let me just make them text. I want to make it markdown and it's okay to be marked down. It's marked down. Now the first exercise has been created here. We create a list dictionary and we can print it. It gave us the answers we want. Okay, let's go for exercise 2. It's a add a key value pair. We are going to add a key value pair to our dictionary. How we say dict. How we can do that? We say dict, for example, foot. I don't really remember which foot Messi is, but let's go with right. And then if we print our dict, the foot has been added. Remove a key pair value. It's also an easy task. We just need to say dict dot pop, and what we are going to put here, for example, foot. And then when we run dict, oh sorry, I delete. Oh, it deleted one time. Let me just add it again and then delete it. You'll see the foot has been deleted. Let's go by 4, get value by k. Let us get the value by k. We can just get it dict dot get, for example, age, and it's giving us check if the k is exist or not. For example, we say for x in dict, if x is equal to what? If x is equal to, for example, let's say age, print yes, it exists, okay, and else don't do anything in else. Why? For x we don't put it like this. Let me just delete it. We say if x in dict, print yes, else print no. And now let's run it, and let me just make x equal to age, it's yes, and equal to it's no. We create this 5 and we are going to create the 6 in the next lesson. Until that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you have any question in the comments. I will answer between 1 days. Until then, have a